We've been told a story for decades. A story of a planet in peril, a fragile blue marble that desperately needs us, its dominant species, to save it from the brink of collapse. But what if that story has it backwards? What if the planet doesn't need us to save it at all? Look around. The evidence of our impact is undeniable. We've reshaped landscapes, rerouted rivers, and filled the skies and seas with the byproducts of our progress. From this perspective, it's easy to believe the Earth is delicate, teetering on a knife's edge. We see the wounds we've inflicted and assume the entire system is as fragile as our own existence. But what if nature already knows how to heal? What if, beneath the scars we've left, lies an ancient, formidable power of recovery, a resilience forged over billions of years of cataclysm and change? And what if the only thing truly stopping it is us? The truth is far more uncomfortable, and yet far more hopeful. Nature is not weak. It is a force of immense power and complexity. It has weathered ice ages, asteroid impacts, and continental shifts. Its default state is not fragility. It is a constant, dynamic process of adaptation and renewal. And when we step back, when we reduce the pressure, create space, and simply allow its processes to resume, it begins to recover with astonishing speed. This isn't a hypothetical idea. It's a phenomenon we're witnessing right now in the forgotten corners of our world. Welcome to Save the Earth. Today's story is not about destruction. It's about the profound, inspiring power of resilience. We'll journey to abandoned places where wildlife now thrives and protected waters where life has returned in abundance. We will explore a radical yet simple idea. This is, nature can heal itself if humans step back. Our planet has a history written in survival. For millennia, vast sheets of ice, miles thick, have advanced and retreated across the continents, grinding landscapes into new forms. Yet, even in the harshest freeze, life endured, waiting for the thaw. Nature has weathered catastrophes from beyond our world. 66 million years ago, an asteroid the size of a mountain struck the Earth, triggering a global winter and wiping out the dinosaurs. It was one of at least 5 great mass extinctions. Events so devastating, they erased over 75% of all species on the planet. After each cataclysm, from the ashes and the ice, life didn't just return. It diversified, blooming into new, complex forms. The story of Earth is one of profound resilience. But now, life faces a different kind of challenge. A relentless, pervasive force that alters land, sea, and air at a speed unseen in geological history. Us. Our footprint is everywhere. We don't just use nature, we overwhelm it. And yet, what happens when that constant pressure is removed? When humans step back, even for a moment, something extraordinary begins. Nature, with its deep-seated memory of recovery, starts to reclaim its space. This is the story of what happens when we give the Earth a chance to heal. For centuries, our planet has been under immense pressure. The relentless expansion of human activity has pushed natural systems to their limits, reshaping landscapes and altering the very chemistry of our air and oceans. We see the scars everywhere. Vast forests, the lungs of our world, have been cleared for agriculture and timber at an alarming rate. Every minute, we lose an area of forest equivalent to dozens of football fields. This isn't just a loss of trees. It's the destruction of complex ecosystems that support millions of species and regulate our climate. The knock-on effects are catastrophic, leading to soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and disruption of water cycles. Beneath the waves, a similar story unfolds. Industrial-scale overfishing has decimated marine populations. Powerful trawlers scrape the ocean floor, destroying fragile habitats like coral reefs and seagrass beds that have taken centuries to form. We have become so efficient at harvesting the seas that many fish stocks are on the verge of collapse, threatening not only marine biodiversity, but also the livelihoods of billions of people who depend on the ocean for their primary source of protein. And then there is the waste we leave behind. Our modern lives are built on convenience, but this comes at a cost. From the visible blight of plastic pollution choking our rivers and oceans to the invisible threat of chemical contaminants seeping into our soil and water, our footprint is pervasive. The air we breathe is saturated with pollutants from industry and transportation, impacting the health of both humans and wildlife. This constant, widespread pressure has created a world out of balance. We have fundamentally altered the natural state of our planet. But these stories of human impact are not the end of the story. They are the context for one of the most remarkable discoveries of our time. What happens when this pressure is suddenly released? What happens when humans simply step back? In 2020, the world slowed down. Flights stopped, factories paused, roads fell silent, and the planet responded immediately. Air quality improved, rivers ran clearer, wildlife ventured into cities. It wasn't a miracle, it was a message. When humans pause, Earth breathes. Nature can recover, but it cannot compete with constant destruction. We extract faster than ecosystems can regenerate. We pollute quicker than nature can cleanse. We consume more than Earth can replenish. This isn't about eliminating humans. It's about changing how we exist. Stepping back doesn't mean abandoning progress. It means protecting ecosystems, respecting natural limits, designing cities that coexist with nature, consuming less, wasting less. It means letting nature lead and humans follow. We don't need to control Earth. We need to cooperate with it. Nature is patient. Nature is resilient. Nature is waiting for us to stop treating the planet like a resource and start treating it like a home. The Earth doesn't need heroes. It needs humility. Because when humans step back, nature steps forward. Do you believe humans can coexist with nature, or do we need to step back more? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video moved you, like, share, and subscribe to Save the Earth. Together, let's give the planet the space it needs to heal.